Dear partners, today I would like to present you our self-adhesive labeling machine, or there is another definition, pressure-sensitive labeling machine, and it is used for application labels on a wide range of containers, starting from small bottles up to large cans with a different geometry, square or rectangular, oval, cylindrical, or of irregular form. Now I'll show you all the aspects of application labels to different types of containers. But let's start from the very beginning. So first comes in-feeding conveyor, which supplies containers to the labeling area. Prior to the labeling area, we see the orientator of oval containers. As the oval container can be transported on the conveyor randomly, that way or like this can lead to label misalignment. For quality application, it is important that the container is aligned with the blade in the area where the label is applied. This mechanism orientates the bottle in the right position, and this ensures a precise labeling. We adjust it for each type of bottle individually. For correct operation of the orientator, containers must move individually, one by one. To ensure this, we have a stream splitter which separates the flow of the oval containers and ensures the gap between them. It consists of a gear motor and metal disc with a special coating for providing friction. As a result, we have a deceleration of a flow speed and a gap between containers. This speed is adjusted from the operator panel. The same unit is used during labeling of cylindrical containers. So next, here we see a top conveyor. In this area, the container is clamped between these two mechanisms, top conveyor and bottom conveyor, which are synchronized with each other. It ensures the stable position of the container at the moment the label is applied. This is extremely important when labeling flat containers, as the label does friction when applied, and this can cause a tilting of a container and, as a result, label slippage. Here we see the mechanical counters. With the help of them, we record the coordinates of the position of each type of containers. We can also set up tilt angle mechanically using the counters, up and down, left, right, which is particularly helpful when using conical containers. All mechanisms in this machine are synchronized with each other from the operator panel, which is represented by a multi-language touchscreen with a human-friendly intuitive interface with different languages. We can easily change languages, set up parameters, write down recipe, change parameters in one or other applicator. So it's very easy to use. This machine comprises the system of sensors. In the basic configuration, we use optical sensor for opaque labels. Here we see the ultrasonic sensor, which is more versatile and is installed as an option. As I have told already, this machine is multifunctional. It can apply labels from one side or both sides. For this, there are two applicators, and each is responsible for its own side. On each side there is a reel with label on the backing paper. Winding scheme shown here. In this area, the label is removed from the backing paper with the blade, then pressing to the body of the container with these plastic plates. As an option, after labeling machine, an accumulative table can be used for accumulation of the containers. To apply labels on cylindrical containers, there are several options. The most versatile method is considered to be discrete one, or in other words, 3 rolls system. It consists of a set of removable rollers, pneumatic drive and adjusting unit. Let's look at this unit in operation. We see how the stream splitter separates the flow of the containers. And in the labeling area, the label is applied. The main advantage of this method is the high accuracy of application even on containers with non-ideal geometry. The disadvantage is its rather low capacity, about 35 bottles per minute. Here we see the second method, labeling and flow. The main advantage is rather high speed, about 80 bottles per minute. The disadvantage is not high accuracy of application and the heavy reliance on the quality of the containers. That's why more often we use a discrete type of labeling.